Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll tell you how you can actually get a part-time job when you're studying abroad. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing that you have to do in any case is that you have to prepare your CV well in advance. So when it comes to creating your CV, we have a detailed video as to how you can create your CV properly, which is here in the I button. Also, how this will help you is that if you have a CV prepared in advance, you can start applying to different jobs before anyone else can. This can considerably increase your chances of getting the job. The next thing is actually finding a job. So how can you actually find a job is that you can go to university. There are many different university career forums and career opportunities and people you can talk to if you want jobs. These people, these forums, etc. will clearly help you out in finding locations at least where you can go and apply. Also, if you want to consider doing something on your own, you can also go on different Facebook groups which can help you get the job, different LinkedIn profiles, different people on LinkedIn or any other social media platform who can actually connect with you and help you out in finding a job. The next thing you can anytime consider is to actually consider the on-campus options. So when you are on campus, there are n number of opportunities that you can go for. For example, you can help out the librarian in the library. There can be different jobs where you can go to the cafe, for example, which is located in your university, or you can work inside the library and help out the librarian. Such opportunities depend on the different colleges, but if your colleges have these opportunities, make sure you go for it and make sure you at least give it an attempt. The next very important thing you have to do is to actually enhance your communication skills. So irrespective of where you work, in which department you work, which community you are in, or whichever degree you're doing, communication skill plays a very important role in absolutely anything. And when it actually comes to being employable, this skill is a no-brainer. You have to have this. So how you can work on this is actually watch different kinds of videos about how you can increase your communication skills. Or if you want a video created in that as well, you can let us know in the comment section given below. You can surely create a video for that. The next thing is that you can actually build yourself a network which when you tap into can help you get these jobs. So network for you can be your friends, for example, the people in your college, the teachers, the organizing committee. These people have good connections in the industry where you can go, connect with them, talk to them and eventually find yourself a job which is best suited for you. The next thing which almost everyone considers is doing an internship. Doing an internship not only adds on to your CV that you have valuable experience, but this also opens the doors to different kinds of job opportunities. So for example, if you're doing an internship as a project management intern in any company, eventually if you work hard, if you work properly, you get the results that the company is expecting out of you. You can also transform into a permanent employee over there, or you can find a job which pays you comparatively higher as compared to what your internship pays you currently. And last but not the least guys, be open to any opportunity you have. If you come from a very wealthy background from India and you go there and you are hesitant to work in a local McDonald's, make sure you don't do that, because as a student, all you have to do is be open to lots of experiences. Even if there's a job which you think is not as good as you think it is, or you think is a lowly job, make sure you clear all of that out of your mind. Just work only because you want experience, you want to explore things, you want to learn, and you want to be around people that will help you out in anything possible. So guys, this was it for the video. If you have any other doubts, you can let us know in the comment section given below. Also, if you want to have a one-on-one session with any of our advisors here at Grad Dreams, feel free to contact us with the help of the description box given below. Our advisors will be very happy to help you out in your study abroad journey. If you're liking the content, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this video with someone you think might find it helpful, and also do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss out on such valuable content. Thank you so much for watching the video guys. We'll see you in the next one.